Every journey begins with a single step, and every step leaves an imprint. The same is true with your customer's journey. Whether she's posting a comment about your fabulous customer service on Facebook, or he's ordering the latest must-have product from your website, every customer interaction produces data that provides insight into buying patterns, purchase habits, and overall consumer behavior. Are you listening to what your consumers are telling you with their data? And are you using what you've learned to create a better experience the next time they interact with your brand? According to Gartner, by 2015, digital strategies such as social marketing will influence at least 80% of consumers' discretionary spending in North America and Western Europe. The message is clear. The time to develop a data-driven marketing strategy is now. Your customers make buying decisions in the blink of an eye. If you're not making an impression, your competitors will. Make sure your impressions count. Where do you begin? The first step is to listen to your customers, to collect and connect the vast amounts of data they're providing you. Which channels do they prefer? How do they choose to interact? Your ultimate goal is to deliver personalized, relevant, and timely offers that support a seamless, positive consumer experience. Use what you already know about her, when, where, and what she buys to anticipate her next behavior. Meet Joe. When he decided it was time to refinance his mortgage at a lower rate, he began researching the best deal online and through his social media networks. When his hometown bank, the one he regularly does business with, noticed Joe's activity, they reached out to him with an offer he couldn't refuse. Now everyone's happy. Joe's bank kept his business local, Joe's paying less for his mortgage every month, and Joe's wife Ann was finally able to afford that new SUV she'd been eyeing. The moral of this story? When you break down your data silos to see the big picture, compile that insight into a seamless view, and automate your marketing processes with integrated technology, your consumer relationships deepen and flourish, and loyalty abounds. A fully integrated marketing solution can produce measurable bottom-line results, such as a 20% reduction in acquisition and implementation costs, a 43% reduction in operating costs, a 39% reduction in maintenance costs. When you're ready to develop your data-driven marketing strategy, Teradata is here to help you integrate and share multiple data environments so you can better manage your business objectives. Unlock big data insights to make informed decisions about your marketing dollars. Drive revenue and customer satisfaction by using critical consumer data to develop stronger, more effective campaigns. Optimize marketing performance and tie results back to internal investments to help prove your ROI. Take the first step in data-driven marketing to create a better consumer experience. Teradata will lead the way.